Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? Well, I got another one. This is two in under 2 weeks, and we have the same exact failure this time. Well, what we're looking at right now is a brand new alternator that is installed, as we could see. We have a 2008 Toyota Tacoma with well over 180,000 miles, and it is rich in flavor. So, vehicle came in with a battery light on. Okay, so we do a battery test. The battery test good, which was weird. So we perform the usual alternator output test with voltage and amperage, right? The voltage, it stayed around 12 volts with all loads on, with loads off, so we know that's not good. Amperage, it ramped up appropriately. So it failed one side of the test but passed the other. So usually we go for an alternator. So in this case it needed an alternator, but here's the old one. And not for nothing, it happened again. Corrosion got in between the cheeks of the aluminum and the steel right here, and it split. And for the people that say aluminum can't corrode, well, what the hell is that? So we don't have any bearing noise. You can see the condition of the pulley and how rusty this is. It's just a telltale sign of how rusty the vehicle is. We don't have any bearing play, but great googly moogly, we have another failure due to corrosion. So it's 2008 with over 180K on it. Did they get their money's worth out of the original alternator? Yes, they did. But if this vehicle wasn't in the salt belt, this wouldn't have happened. So yeah, corrosion kills again, or corrosion strikes again. If you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further corrosion and further rodents.